আলো বেদনা প্রভু দাও মোরে আলো চেতনা আলো শুকায় বাধা টুকায় মোরে করো ত্রাণ মোরে করো ত্রাণ আলো বেদনা প্রভু দাও মোরে আলো চেতনা আলো শুকায় বাধা টুকায় মোরে করো ত্রাণ মোরে করো ত্রাণ আলো প্রেমে মোর আমি ডুবে যাই আলো প্রেমে মোর আমি ডুবে যাই সুধাধারে আপনারে তুমি আলো 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 করো দান মোরে আলো 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 দাও প্রাণ প্রাণ ভরিয়ে তৃষ্ণা ভরিয়ে মোরে আলো 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 দাও প্রাণ।
Familiar means the family. We like the Trashnik family. So your family is also my family, our family. I convey my best wishes to all of your family, of good wishes to all of your children for the future of this country, of this India also, of the world also. But please there must be some good breed of humanity. What cannot be divided. Will go up further.
And only the individuals cannot develop. This world needs a collective family. And it is our collective family team from Bengal. They always lead us. It is not me or my chief secretary or my government staff. They lead the industry and they lead the country and they lead the business also. I convey my great regards for UK, all the media houses, because they are playing very important role. And every time you can say I am fond of BBC, because we know that in any important events you want to search out, then BBC automatically will come. CNN, IBN and others also, there are so many. So we have a great regards for that. And also we convey on behalf of West Bengal peoples to our special best wishes to all of your family, your colleague and your other workers, employees and the brothers and sisters to my UK also. We are proud of our Indian citizens because in our country it is a million diversities of origin. We have so many states, but you cannot compare one state to another state. One may be rich, one may be poor. One may be big, one may be small. But one thing is very unique, that unity in diversity is our origin. Calcutta is the cultural capital of India. And now it became the main job destination, investment hub, skill hub, women empowerment hub, education hub, small scale industry hub, sports hub, everything. Yes, we are very much fond of football, but please don't forget Shohrab Ganguly is from Bengal, who led India cricket team so many times, and he is also having stay sometime because his daughter is studying here. So he is our Bengal ambassador. So he will be joining with me in this Oxford University program because he is busy with IPL. IPL is going on. And also you know that Shahrukh is very popular. He was also a Bengal ambassador. UK and Kolkata and Bengal, what we say, and India, we always used to maintain a good relation. You will be surprised to know that when I visited Hyde Park, in UK. Then I discovered Kolkata, a land of 480 acres, and there I have set up an ecotourism park. And 7 wonders in the world are there. Also we set up, there are so many, the water area also, lake area. It is 180 acres of land. And also out of 480 acres of land, you can see all over the world to that eco park. And opposite to that, we have the Wax Museum. We gave the name of that museum in the name of Mother. Mother Teresa also works for Kolkata. Calcutta became artificial intelligence hub. And also data center, data research center, to IT sector, to industry sector. The second largest, world largest coal company, coal mining is coming to Bengal. The work already started. And it will be one of the biggest employment oriented program. And we have so many self-help groups. And women empowerment. If I say only one word, that India government gave us this information, that in our country, women entrepreneurs #1 in Bengal. So I am very happy to say that it is not that I am justifying it for my work, that data says, the research says. So Bengal, you have the education opportunities, you have the cultural opportunities, you have the film industry opportunities always in our film festival. What is recognized by PR. And for business friendly, we have set up a investment friendly synergy committee. Non-stop working. Our chief secretary is heading and leading that. It is not only a single window formula. It is a collective family. It is a family of industry. It may be from power department, it may be from energy department, it may be from collection department, it may be from education department, it may be from the small scale industry department, it may be from police department, it may be from in the small scale industry department. Why we are doing so? Because there must be some coordination. There should not be any coordination gap, so that industry should not suffer. And I think you know better than me. So our relation is our bonding. Generations to come. Sometimes the bonding cannot change. It always continues. We always remember our fellow passengers, our people, and I feel I'm proud to say that all we have become one family. That is our family.
তুমি আরো 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 করো গান, মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ, প্রাণ ভরিয়ে কৃষ্ণ ভরিয়ে, মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ।